So I want to do a quick video on this KNIPEX cable stripper. Does it warrant its own video? Probably not. Yeah, I think so. We do a lot of cabling jobs, and obviously the quicker that you can do them, time's money. And these things are absolutely amazing. This one's a couple of years old. Now, yeah, it just looks like a piece of plastic. If I switch over to Amazon. So this one's at $39.49. So it's not the cheapest cable stripper in the world. Our engineers tend to fight over these quite a lot because we've only got two of them. I just want to show it you in action. So if I switch over to here, this came up literally because these cable strippers are kind of wasted. The blade's a little bit on the blunt side over them. Pull it off. So where these things come into their own, especially when you've got some tight or confined space to run the cables in, we can literally just stick the cable in there, give it a twist, and there we go. Absolutely love this thing. It's probably one of the best things I've ever bought, to be honest. You can literally strip as many cables as you want with it. It is absolutely brilliant. If you wanted to, you can, unravel this a little bit. There's, very rarely a need to split these down, but you can also trim the ends of the cable as well. So yeah, as I say, it was just a really quick video. One of the best things that I could, tell anyone if they're doing a cabling job is to have these handy. The price that they cost, you'll save that, many times over during the life of doing cabling jobs. Absolute great bit of kit. So I just wanted to do a quick video on it, just while people are fighting over it. Figured, share it with the world. I'll leave the links on Amazon to where you can purchase this from. Yeah, good luck with it.